Using Apple Pay at an ATM is a convenient and secure way to withdraw cash from your account. To get started, you will need an iPhone or Apple Watch with the latest operating system and a compatible bank card. First, make sure your bank supports Apple Pay and that you have added your bank card to the Wallet app on your device. If you have not already done this, open the Wallet app and follow the instructions to add your card. Next, find an ATM that supports Apple Pay. Many major banks have ATMs that support contactless transactions, including Apple Pay. Look for the contactless symbol on the ATM to confirm it supports Apple Pay. To use Apple Pay at an ATM, start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone or bringing your Apple Watch close to the ATM. Select the card you want to use and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Then, hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless symbol on the ATM. The ATM will prompt you to enter your PIN to confirm the transaction. Enter your PIN and follow the on-screen instructions to select your withdrawal amount and complete the transaction. It is essential to keep your device and card information secure. Only use Apple Pay at reputable ATMs. And never share your card details or PIN with anyone. Additionally, be aware of any daily withdrawal limits or fees associated with using Apple Pay at an ATM. Your bank may have specific requirements or restrictions for using Apple Pay, so it is a good idea to check with them before using the service. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and easily use Apple Pay at an ATM to withdraw cash when you need it. Remember to always keep your device and account information secure to protect yourself from potential fraud or identity theft.